Okay, boys and girls, before we start our math activity, Miss Shauna is going to read us 10 Easter egg hunters.
Wake up, Bunny, move those legs. You've not much time to hide those eggs. By dawn the kids will want to search. Please, please don't leave them in the lurch.
So the bunny has to go out and hide those eggs.
Baby crawls across the floor. What is that by the mouse door? Oh, what did she find?
Oh, look it right there, little
One
green
egg.
one.
Pam looks high, Tom looks low, Max looks in the mailbox row. They found another egg, so now they have 2 eggs. Timid Tom isn't certain. There is an egg behind the curtain. So look,
Ooh,
now we have
in
a
the
third
window
egg.
where the curtain is. So we had 2. 1 more makes 3. Good job.
Alexandra has no doubt her egg is in the water spout.
Where's the water spout?
Oh, down here.
Good job, Miss Shauna.
So now we have 4 eggs. Lily sniffs a daffodil, sees an egg on the windowsill.
So we had 4, and 1 more makes what, Miss Shauna?
5.
Good job.
1 egg high up in the tree does not stop brave Annie Lee. Look, she climbed all the way up in the nest to get
Wow,
it.
she's a good climber.
So now we have how many eggs?
Well, if we had 5 and she climbed up in the tree, Dominic, we have 5 and 1 more makes 6. Good job.
Priscilla loves the color pink. This egg's made for me, I think. Oh, she went and climbed up all her friends.
Well, there's a lot of girls in this class that love the color pink. If we had 6 ladies and we have 1 more pink one, 6 plus 1 make 7 eggs. Good job.
Pam looks in the tulip pots, finds an egg with polka dots.
Ooh, polka dots. That's fun to paint. So we had 7. 1 more makes 8.
The garden statue hides a treat, a starry egg for little Pete.
Oh, little Pete.
And this one has stars on it.
Stars on them. So we had 8 and 1 more with the stars on them. Let's see. Malaya, 8 and 1 more make 9. Good job.
And now for something really delicious, a big chocolate egg for sweet Ulysses.
So we had 9, and Vicky, we have 1 more that makes 10, and a delicious number 10.
Bunny,
Wow.
you have done your part. Now the parade's about to start. It's time for all the kids to sing Happy Easter, hello spring.
Spring. Spring is the season we're in now. That's great. And Easter comes in the spring. The end. So today for math, I want you to go get a white piece of paper, any piece of paper, a crayon or a pencil, and we're going to do secret number together today. Now, some of you, it's going to be a little harder, but it's good practice. And whatever you do, I'm proud of you. So let's start with an easy number so our little bears can have an easy number. The first number is 0. Write the number 0. If your number looked like this, you got it right. 0 is like an O. Very good. Let's try a little harder one. How about 9? 9. Remember, 9 has a ball and it's on the top. All right, sometimes it might be hard for Audrey and Milana to write the numbers, but I want you to try. Okay? 9, a ball and then a stick, and the ball is on the top. Let's try another one. Let's see. 2, Number 2. Let's see who could get it. 2 is pretty easy now. It used to be hard. 2, if you got this number, you have it right. Let's try 6. 6. Let's try 6 now. 6 has a ball too, but it's on the bottom. You go around and you circle to the bottom. 6. If your number 6 looked like this, you got it right. Now, let's try 3, everybody. 3. Around to the middle and around to the bottom. If you wrote 3 like this, you got it right. Good job. Let's try 8. 8. You could do the simple 8 with 2 balls, or you could do a fancy 8 with the S and then you close it. Let's see if you did one of these. 8. If you wrote yours close to this, remember if you just did the 2 balls have to touch to make the number 8. An easy one to write. 7. 7. If you wrote it like this, you got it right. Now this one's a little harder to do. Number 5, you got to do the line on the top, go to the front of the line and go down and around. 5. My lions are probably thinking this is super easy. Well, it's going to get a little harder in a few minutes because we're going to do the teen family. So let's start. If I say teen, what's the first number you're going to write? Think. Teen family, what's the first number you're going to write? Chris? 1, right? 1 is first. So the first number is 16. If I said teen, what goes first? 1. Very good. So the number is 16. A 1 and then a 6. 16. Let's try another one. 18. 18. If I say teen, what comes first? A 1 and then an 8. 18. If you wrote this number with the 1 first, you have it right. Let's try another number. This is good for the little bears too, because this is easy for them. 11. 11. A 1 and a 1 is 11. How many of you got it right? Good job, Malia. Very good. All right, now let's try another one. 14. 14. If I say teen, what comes first? 1. And then a 4. 14. Did everybody get it right? I hope so. Let's try another easy one for the little bears. 1. All by itself, 1. Easy. My lions know that. But let's try another one. 10. 10. What comes first? A 1 and then a 0. If you did 10 right, good job. Let's try another one from the teen family. 17. I said teen. What comes first? A 1 and then a 7. 17. I hope you got it right. An easy one for my little bears. 4. 4. You do the stick. You go to the front of the stick, go down and back. 4. 4 all by itself. Now this is another one for the little bears. For the lions. This will be the last one for our game today. 12. 12. It comes after 11, and it sits in the teen family. 12, a 1 and a 2. Now, if you got them all right, pat yourself on the back and say, good job, good job. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Now we're going to do our pages. First, my lions are going to start with the number 14. Color 14 horses. Do 14, 5 of them up here. Remember to leave that space in between. And then 5 down here. And down here they want you to color 14 little rabbits. On the back, we're going to have ABC order. You start with the A and you go around. Remember to sing your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What do you think the picture is going to be? Remember when we read this story together? Now, my little bears have a group paper. They want you to color the groups that have 2. Does this have 2? No, so we don't color that one. Does this have 2? This group has 2, so we color it. Only color the groups that have 2 on this side. On this side, they want you to color the groups that have only 1. Does this have only 1? Yes. Does this have only 1? No. All right, go to it.